Hi everybody, this is Manish from Dental Concepts. Thank you for taking the time to look at this video. Today we are going to talk about smile makeovers. Smile makeovers is about smile designing, changing the shape, size, arrangement, color of your teeth. There are lots of questions people ask, and we thought we'd club it together and give you a flavor of the whole process today. We work in 4 phases, and that's what we're going to explain you today. We're going to show you some videos, some pictures about how the process takes place at Dental Concepts for a smile makeover. When first time patients come to us, they have some concerns about their smile. That's where the discussion starts. Me, my team of treatment coordinators, smile designers, we work together with the patient to understand. We listen very carefully about their needs, their concerns, what they want to do about their smile, how they want to enhance their confidence in their smile and their overall personality. That's what I call as phase 1, where we are listening very attentively to your needs. Once we have made notes about what changes you need, we take you to phase 2, which is called as a full comprehensive assessment of your oral health status. That's where I check your teeth, gums, soft tissues, etc. Make my clinical notes about what are your clinical needs and cosmetic needs. We take lots of photographs, videos, and some more notes about the health status and the cosmetic status. That's phase 2. In phase 2, once I have digested all the information, collected it on my software, I and my treatment coordinator take you to our information room. The information room is where we will tell you exactly what materials are used, how a smile makeover is done. You'll be looking at different animations, leaflets, information stuffs, and you can actually touch, feel, see everything which is being used in the smile makeovers. We have certain models, study models, which we will prepare in the comprehensive assessment. Those study models look like this, which you might have seen in the dental world. Once we collect all this information, I put it on a software where I start designing your smile according to your suggestions and my thoughts about how it can enhance your smile. This is a special software which I use, with which I can then transfer the information to my master technician sitting in London and Birmingham. That's where he sits on his bench to create a smile according to my prescription and the research we have done. And he prepares a smile outside your mouth on models, which then looks something like this, which is the 3rd phase of your treatment. As you can imagine, we haven't even touched your teeth as yet, and we are entering into a very, very exciting phase, which is phase 4, and that's the main part of this video today, and I call it as the test drive. What's a test drive? If I'm a patient and I'm thinking, I'm going to have this all smile makeover, but how am I going to look at the end? And I don't know. And that's the worst part, if somebody does a smile makeover and you don't know right till the end of how you're going to look. It's exactly like buying a car. You go sit in the car, have a test drive, you like it, and that's when you buy it. In smile makeovers, we give you 2 test drives, out of which the first one is when the whole box, which is created by my technician according to our prescription with all the trial smiles and everything, comes back to me. We call you in, where we use a special temporary smile material which is put in a special rubber index, and I transfer the smile from the models onto your teeth as a temporary smile without actually touching your teeth or damaging your teeth. And within 5 minutes, you can actually see yourself in a transformed, enhanced, smile, confident stage. And that's the beauty of the test drive. At this stage, you can see if you like the shape, the color, the size of the teeth, the arrangement of the teeth, and this is absolutely live. And once you think, okay, I can tweak it a bit on certain aspects, we do that for you and give you a second test drive. Once you like that, that's the point you decide to go ahead, and the beauty is we haven't even touched your teeth. People say, is it for the glamour world? Is it for the rich people? I particularly feel it's for anybody and everybody who wants to enhance their smile, their confidence, and people think I can't afford it. And I can tell you now, I can reassure you now, it's as good as buying a cup of Costa coffee every day for the next 3 years. It's absolutely achievable, and it's probably coming down to 3 or 4 pounds a day if you get it correct. And I think it's the best investment you can ever make to enhance your own personal confidence. If you ever feel ready to ask us the question and go through this process, please do come over for the free comprehensive assessment where we will give you lots of information and take you through this journey. I hope you enjoyed the video. I look forward to seeing you at Dental Concepts Whitchurch. This is Manish. Thanks a lot.
I think Dental Concepts is a lovely little practice. Manish and his team are very friendly, very welcoming. Manish went through everything that he was going to do, so I felt very comfortable. And the staff were really helpful. I think it's a very good practice, and bearing in mind I hadn't been to the dentist for quite a few years, I think anyone who has got phobia of coming to the dentist, this is a very nice place to come to. Well, I could feel them, but I couldn't see them. But I could see everyone else had seen them around me, and they were like, oh, they look really nice. So when he finally let me have a look in the mirror and see the pictures, it was a bit wow. It was the wow factor, to be honest. I'd never had teeth so straight and so white, and one of my reservations was that they would look too false, and I don't think they do at all. So I'm really happy. I would recommend it, actually. I think a lot of people, especially in the last few years, they see either they're not happy with their teeth, or they see people on television, famous people with their veneers and perfect smiles, and I think a lot of people are wanting it these days. But there is the expense, and I think people don't want to go through that expense if they don't know exactly how it's going to turn out. So having this option to be able to see what it would look like, to choose the shape of your teeth, which that's something else I didn't realise you could do, and also the colour whiteness that you would like, and actually see what it would look like first, I'd recommend it to anybody who was seriously considering having their teeth changed.